Okay, I'm gonna pretty much go quickly over the market, what I did today on the trades, and then I'm gonna talk exactly how to deal with the losing trade, because I took a loss today, and I will explain how to control yourself, not to take stupid decisions, not to blow your account just because of one mistake, to not lose your profits, and how to actually overcome the problem of the acceptance of the losing trade, because a lot of traders have a huge ego. Even me myself, I had a huge ego, and I would just like not accept that I could be wrong. And then when I would lose the trade, I would just revenge trade and just blow out all my profits completely throughout the day. So I'm gonna explain how to avoid this and what tricks you can use later in the video. But firstly, let's just understand what trades I took throughout the market. It's going to be a quick breakdown. So when I woke up, I saw the tight Asian range, and the price was continuing to move down from the previous days, and this was usually the weekly moves. It was just going down. So I could have taken the continuation model, but I didn't want to take my continuation model entry here because I'm only currently trading like range bound setups. So I didn't see any entry for myself here on Asia. We had a break below this low, but then we didn't have any change of character or break of structure for me to take. So essentially London was no trades and it's totally okay. So I didn't take any trades and I'm pretty good because this session was a win for me because I did not take any stupid trade. I followed the plan. So this is the win. And then on New York, what I was doing, I had marked out this high, and then this low also was marked out. And then what happened, price went above, I dropped down to lower time frame. I got pretty unlucky. I saw this break of structure below this low right here, which I have marked out, and what I was waiting for was that for the price to tap back in. It tapped and then go 1-to-1 to move my stop loss to break even, and then just let ride for the rest of the trade. But as you can see, I was like, I don't know, what was it, like 1 pip off, like from like point. I'm not sure exactly how much was it actually. Let me check. Yeah, half a pip actually, half a pip away from my take profit. And what did I do? Did I lose my control and start taking aggressive shorts again? Oh, I'm gonna re-enter here when I got to break even. No, I did not. Actually, I didn't get break even. Would I re-enter? Would I stack positions? No, I did not. I just let the play out, either stop loss or TP. What happened? I hit stop loss, I lost 1%, so instead of 5.5, I'm at 4.5. So it's totally okay. I'm calm with this and I'm totally relaxed. And for me, trading throughout the week, 5 trading days, 2 sessions a day, which each lasts 1 hour. For me, it's a strict time frame of trading. For me, it's 10 sessions, 6 trades overall, 5 wins, 1 loss. I'm good. I'm literally good. I did amazingly this week, I would say. And being 4.5% up throughout the week is insane. It's pretty big. It's big numbers. And essentially, now let's discuss how I'm able to keep my composure after a losing trade and not just blow all my profits. So if it was old me, if you take like 3 years ago, what I would do, I would just revenge trade this. I would get angry. How am I wrong? No, the price is just moving back. No, I'm pretty sure it's gonna move to my profit. See, that's what I would be doing. So essentially, I would probably stack position again here, so I would lose now 2%. And then what old me would do, if the price would go above this, I would re-enter again from here and then straight stop to here. It's gonna be a 3rd trade, right? 1, 2, 3. Now my 4th trade would be, once I got stopped, I saw this break of structure again stop right here. It's gonna be my 5th trade, right? It's gonna be a loss. Then I would keep on chasing my bias that I'm gonna execute another trade right here when the price moved down, like this, and then stop loss, let's say right here. I would get stopped out, and then lastly I would just be like, no, I'm angry, probably it's this one, it's moving down from here, it's gonna move down for sure. I'm gonna execute from here up to here. What happens? I lose, and then I would execute from here again from the top, let's say right now here, and I would be stuck in the open trade, which would also end up in a loser because the market is soon to close and then spread's gonna go insane. It's gonna be overnight, over the weekend commissions, and I'm gonna lose hugely on commissions. There might be a huge slippage and also slippage due to spreads, so I am risking a lot. It's like high risk trades. So, and I would be also trading outside of my trading time. So see, what I would have just like, because of one issue that I could not accept my loss on one trade, I just wouldn't let it do. I would have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I missed, I think there were like, I think 7 or 6 trades, 6 or 7 trades unnecessarily, which would have resulted to 7 to 6% loss. And look, I was up 5.5%, losing 7 trades. I would have been down minus 2%, right? Or minus 1.5. Like, do you realize how bad this is? If I would have just stopped here, let's say, which I do right now, I just lost 1% and that's it. I'm done. I'm still up 4.5. But old me 3 years ago would have just done this shit. And then I would just be losing, right? So why do this? And essentially what helped me really to realize is, obviously, while working at GS for 2 years, I was able to monitor the traders on the floor, how they trade, and no means they don't trade like this. Trust, like, no, they don't. They trade completely differently, and no means you will get close to that. It's like impossible. Trust me. Whatever they tell you, institutional trading or some BS like that, it's not like that. It's completely different. It's not even close, and there's no such a thing as like bullshit HFTs, or like HFTs, yeah, do exist from, but most usually it's just like market making, and HFTs are not even that profitable. It's too high cost, so it's usually market making. And just information for that. And there's no such thing as institutional trading. No, it's like heavy quantitative models that they trade. So just like forget about all the bullshit and all the branding of the strategies. Just trade support and resistances, easiest way. So as I was saying, like, all, as you can see literally from the result, like me taking these stupid trades, I would have lost. And what helped me to develop the discipline of taking only correct trades was the fact that I had 2 demo accounts, and I discussed this also on my previous video. By having like 2 demo accounts, what I do, one demo account is where I only take proper rules. Like, one trade I lost, I would be done. Only this I would be looking. And the second one, I would be doing whatever the hell I want. I would be just executing all these trades, right? However I want, whatever I want. I'm gonna be chasing, revenge trading, trading based off my feelings, trading however I want, no rules, nothing. And even like, let's just compare from the thin air, right? If I would have taken this one, demo account would have shown me just minus 1%. First demo account where I follow the rules, and then the second one where I don't follow rules and try to chase profits and make money, it would have been just minus 7 or 6%, right? So which one is better? It's just obvious, right? But it's obvious to say like this, but it's hard to do. That's the thing that makes trading hard. It's really hard to follow the plan. Be disciplined in this aspect of area. And the only problem here is like you are accountable on yourself. Nobody else will tell you that you've screwed up. You have to be accountable. You have to keep journal. Like, let's say I keep the journal, right, always, and I record every single trade of mine. I have it recorded. Like, I always go over. I will just give you an example right now. Here's one of my journals, right, and I'm just gonna remove wins so it's not filtered, and you can see I have 262 trades recorded starting from August 2023. Because this is the newest journal, and it just keeps on going. So that's it. It's just like this data allows me to understand what are my issues, how to improve, and so on. And also the demo account, 2 demo accounts where I follow them together, start them initially together, and one trade I follow the rules, one trade I just do whatever I want, however I want with my strategy, allowed me to surpass these urges of impulsive behavior. And now I just know I don't need to do this. Obviously, I am a human being and sometimes I get emotional too, and I might break a rule. But over the course of a period, let's say in a month, the day where I break the rule might be only 1 day or 2 days. And it might be even that I didn't realize that I was breaking the rule. So it essentially happens, right, to anyone. But right now I'm trying to get to where I make zero mistakes, and I'm working on it with my FTMO performance coach. So it's just do this, start improving yourself, 2 demo accounts. It will literally change your trading. Just do it for 1 month. Collect data for 1 month. Trade on 2 accounts in 1 month. One you follow rules, one you don't follow rules, and one account you don't need to record any trades on, the one that you're not following the rules. Do not need to keep the journal. And on the second account you record every single trade that you took, and you would realize how different your trading would be on those 2 accounts. And actually, if you followed your plan, you would, and your strategy showed on the backtested result that it's profitable, I'm pretty much sure you would have been profitable. And you are profitable, I'm pretty sure about it. You just need to conquer your psychology and stop hoping the strategies. Just master one thing, master one currency, and that's it, all you need to do. So I will see you next time.